Good morning, students. Welcome to classes on economics of capital market. Today, we will be dealing with bonus shares. What is a bonus share? Bonus shares means new shares given free of cost to all the existing shareholders of the company in proportion to their holdings. So bonus shares are new shares which are issued to all existing shareholders of the company in proportion to their holdings. For example, a company announcing bonus issue of 1:5. That means one new bonus share is issued for every shareholders who have 5 shares with them. That is one share for 5 shares. One bonus share for 5 shares. So if a shareholder have 5 shares with him, he will get additional one bonus share. And if a shareholder have 10 shares with him, he will get 2 bonus shares. If a person have 15 shares with him, he will get 3 bonus shares and so on. So for every 5 shares, shareholder will get 1 bonus issue. So bonus shares are new shares given free of cost to all the existing shareholders of the company in proportion to their holdings. So bonus shares are given free of cost to the existing shareholders. A company may issue bonus share out of free reserves accumulated out of genuine profits or share premium collected. So the issuing company issues bonus share out of free reserves. So out of its free reserves, an issuing company issues bonus shares. So the free reserves is accumulated out of their profit or from the share premium collected from the shareholders. So we can say that bonus shares are issued for free to the shareholders of the company. So shareholders need not pay anything to get bonus shares. They are given free to the shareholders. Then additional shares are distributed based on number of stock held by the shareholders. So on the basis of stocks held by the shareholders or number of shares owned by the shareholder, he or she will get additional shares or additional bonus shares. That is, if a company is issuing bonus share at a ratio 1:5, then for every 5 shares, shareholder will get 1 bonus share. So on the basis of number of shares a shareholder owns, he will get additional bonus shares. So to issue bonus shares, company has to fulfill following conditions. So company has to fulfill certain conditions in order to issue bonus shares. They are: first condition, bonus issue should be authorized by articles of association. So bonus issue should be authorized by articles of association. So every company has articles of association, which is a document that specifies the internal management of the company, and bonus issue should be authorized by articles of association. So it should go in line with, so bonus issue should go in line with the articles of association of the company. Second condition, shareholders must sanction in the general meeting on the recommendation of board of the company. So bonus issue should be sanctioned by the shareholders of the company. So company should get approval of shareholders in order to issue bonus shares. Another important condition is that company should issue bonus share according to SEBI's guidelines. So SEBI's guidelines should be compiled by the company in order to issue bonus shares. Last condition, in case of loans from financial institutions, company should obtain their permission. See, some companies might have taken some loans from certain financial institutions. If so, then company should gain their approval, the financial institution's approval in order to issue bonus shares. So to issue bonus shares, company has to fulfill certain conditions. So bonus issue should be authorized by articles of association. Then in order to issue bonus share, company should get sanction from shareholders. SEBI guidelines should be compiled. In case company have taken certain loans from financial institutions, company should obtain their permission as well. So these are the conditions to issue bonus shares by a company. So company have to fulfill these conditions before issuing bonus shares. I hope this is clear for you. Thank you.